What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're highly welcome. So in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you what would help you so much with your partner. Okay, this is actually going to help you. It's actually made for guys. It will help your energy. It would leave you wanting, and it is very healthy, natural, and it is very simple to get. You can actually, I'm going to tell you how you're going to get this at the end of the video, so keep on watching. Okay, so subscribe, share the video, thumbs up, and let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so for this you're going to be needing a glass, and you're going to be needing milk. And you can actually get raw milk, which is perfect. Okay, now milk actually helps your body metabolism. Okay, so it's actually going to be helpful mixing it up with this powder. It's going to be really useful for your partner. Yeah, okay, this is actually going to help you really wanting for more. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to take a whole much milk, and then you're going to turn it into. Okay guys, so I have this powder here, and this powder is called maca powder. It's an edible powder. Okay, it actually helps your body as a man and also as a woman. It helps you wanting more from your male partner or your female partner. Okay, it helps you really well in the other side, you know what I mean. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that after mixing the milk, then you would have to be taking about 1 tablespoon. Okay, I've actually washed my hand, and that's why I have it in my hands. Okay, so you're going to be taking this powder into the powder into your milk. And then after that, you're going to stir this whole lot. You're going to stir the powder. This is actually maca powder. You can order it online. Okay, I got mine online, and then you can actually see it in a herbal store, which is actually very important. Okay, maca powder is not difficult to find, which you can just make an order online right now, and you're gonna have it delivered to your doorstep. Okay, so what you do is that you're gonna stir this a whole lot. You can actually put more of the milk. Okay, and then you put about 1 tablespoon of maca powder, and then you drink it. Now you have to take this. Well, it's going to help your body a whole lot, and your skin basically, because milk is actually very good for the body. So when you want to have your partner, you have to take this, and it's actually going to be perfect. It's really great for a guy. Okay, it's going to help you strong out a little more, and you're going to be loving it. Okay, so basically you take this not like every day, but every other day, which is very helpful, and it's going to help you make you really strong. Okay, and half glass is perfect. It tastes really well. Let me have a take. It tastes really well. The milk has actually superseded the taste of the maca powder. The maca powder does not taste bad. It tastes really good, of course, but it's not like sweet. Yeah, but it tastes good. Mixing it up with milk is gonna be perfect. Yes, so this is what you're gonna be needing, and you are gonna be good to go. Okay, but you have to continue taking it. Okay, and you're good to go. So for the maca powder, it really tastes great. Okay, you can you get it online. You should order it online. That's actually a very simple way to get it. Yeah, so do it just like I said. Drink it as often as you want anyway, because it's natural, and it's actually going to help you. You know, it's going to make you strong, and it's going to make you wanting, and it's very healthy also. It's good for the body basically. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and stay healthy and stay beautiful and stay strong. Bye guys.